Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifina if it's your first time here. So guys, today we are going for a day trip. I'm going to New York City with my family, New York State actually with my family. This is what happens when you live near the border, okay? You can just go to New York whenever you feel like. So yeah, super excited. I decided to vlog today for you guys, so let's go.
I think it's because spiritual emptiness is a universal disease. I think inside that at some point we put our heads down on the pillow and we go, there's got to be a more to life than this.
I don't know, I don't really like the design. I think that's what. Yeah. Do you like it? Did it work?
Either make a donation or not today.
Thank you.
Would you the receipt as well?
Oh, perfect.
Be
You too.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. I got a really cute bag, which I love. I actually really like it. Yeah, I'll show you guys later. Yeah, I prefer that one. Actually, I think I prefer. I don't know. Yeah. $4. But actually, I like it. Hi guys, so we just got back from Buffalo, New York. So I want to do a little haul and show you guys what I got. I'm so tired and hungry. Like, I literally haven't eaten anything all day except the like pretzels that I showed you guys that we got from Auntie Anne's, and we left for Buffalo around 11 and it's currently 6:30. Yeah, so my brother went to get me McDonald's. Like, so thankful. This Kate Spade was my biggest purchase. It was actually a reasonable price, I think. Yeah, let me show you guys what the bag looks like. She's so pretty. I love it so much. Like, it's a decent size. Like, it can fit my camera, it can fit my phone and my like everything that I need. So yeah, it's classy for like church, going out. I really like her and it was a good price. I got rice water from, you guys, if you watch my vlog, I told you I love As I Am. I found the rice water spray at Target, so I also got that. And then I got, this was what, I got this watch from Nine West Watch. It was from Nostrum Rock. Yeah, it was like $20, so it's just a simple watch. The one I really wanted was like $40. I was like 40 USD. It was just a lot. So this was like, this is about 30 Canadian dollars, so I don't think it's bad. But yeah, it was a successful trip. I'm so happy I went. I really thought I was not going to buy anything. I was really like, yeah, I'm just going to follow my mom and my sister. But yeah, they found things that they liked. It was a really good trip. So yeah. So today is Sunday. Today I am going to clean my room, do my laundry, and finish packing. It's a week before my trip, so I'm trying to make this like a reset day, like get my life together before I leave. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this like cleaning yeah, edition. Okay, so yeah, first things first, I want to take off my bed sheet and put that in the washer, fold the clothes that I have and pack them up, and then yeah, vacuum my room at the end. So let's go.
Stairway to pressure stars that are tearing us apart. Girl, you know you got my heart. Yeah, you know you got my stairway to pressure start. Nah, 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 nah.
Let's get to cleaning. Sorry, no. May the good Lord bless you. Amen. May the good Lord bless you. Hi guys, so I'm finally ready to actually finish packing. Kind of start something. Okay, I've started. Like I've actually packed most of my clothes. I just actually have to yeah, finish packing anyways. I'm so excited, but I'm so like not in the mood to pack. I just don't know. I feel like I'm ready to just get on the flight and go. You guys, we hit 2K subscribers today. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Like thank God. Like I know I haven't been so consistent before, so my subscriber, like the number of my subscribers has like always been at like 1.9 for like maybe a year, 2 years. But we finally hit 2,000 subscribers, so welcome. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Road to 10K. I'm just really grateful. Like I'm so grateful. I'm glad that I kept pushing myself. Yeah, yes I am. They let us leave early. They let us leave early because it's the weekend. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm so grateful. So yeah, let's pack. I'm so happy today. Yeah, okay, let me actually pack. Oh my gosh, I also want to talk about, like, I just feel like, I don't know, being in your 20s sometimes it can just feel weird because everyone's life in their 20s is so different. Like some people are married, some people are parents, some people are just working, some people are traveling the world, some people are like doing very different things, right? And I've just been learning a lot to be content in like the season that I'm in while waiting like for the next thing, and just yeah, trying to find joy and excitement in like my everyday life. I think at the beginning of this year I was just really feeling like all my days were the same. I wasn't doing anything with my life. I would literally sleep, work, go to church, come back and repeat. But yeah, I think just trying, yeah, I think I'm not even sure what helped me get over that. Honestly, I think it's finding purpose. Actually, yes, finding purpose in everything that God has given me to do and just doing it well and working at it with my whole heart and enjoying this season, because obviously seasons change and like I'm not always going to have this phase of my life, and so just trying to enjoy it. Like I was speaking with someone that has like kids, and she was like, honestly, this time that you don't have so much, this time that you feel like you have so much free time, like there's not a lot going on in your life, just enjoy it, because when you start having a family and everything's going to change. So yeah, yeah, I'm just happy. And yeah, obviously I'm happy that I'm going to Nigeria tomorrow and I'm going to spend so much time with my family and friends that I haven't seen in a long time. And yeah, okay you guys, like yeah, let's actually pack. My floor is also so messy because clearly I'm packing. Taking these sneakers. This traditional way of weighing things makes sense.
That's how we were doing before, no?
I didn't know. It's actually not heavy.
93.3.
So it's probably 23, 24 kgs. You sure know what's now? Hi guys, so I'm practically done packing. I'm so tired, like it has been such a long day, but yeah, next time you guys see me, I'm gonna be in Nigeria. I have to go do my hair routine for tomorrow, so I'm looking cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It is a very different vlog, and at some points I wasn't sure what I was going for, but I think it came together nicely. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Yeah, bye guys.
Send the sun to work just for me.